You know those mornings where you just can't get out of bed? That used to be me, until I discovered the Sunrise One. This device has completely changed the way I wake up, and I'm excited to show you why. This is what makes the Sunrise One special. Instead of a loud, annoying alarm, it gently wakes you up with light that gets brighter just like the sunrise. And listen to this. These ocean sounds are so calming. They help me wake up feeling happy and refreshed. You can also choose other sounds like birds chirping if you want to feel like you're waking up in nature. This is how the Dreamegg sunrise alarm clock looks. You have your dimmer dial right here, your on and off, your timer, your forward and backwards music selector. This is your time, your snooze, your alarm clock, increase, decrease, to turn on the light, and to switch the brightness of the light. It even has a battery here, just in case if the power goes off, your time is saved. And here's your plug that it has right here. The back, here's your speaker. One of my favorite things about the Sunrise One is the sounds. Let's try a few. First, you're gonna press the on button. Then you'll press the backwards or the forwards button to select your different sounds. This one is so peaceful. It makes me feel like I'm on the beach. This crackling campfire is great for relaxing at night. This meditation sound helps me clear my mind in the morning. White noise is perfect for blocking out other sounds when you're trying to sleep. And here's the bird song. It's my favorite for waking up. It's so cheerful. You can also change how bright the light is, which is super simple. Just swipe your finger here to make it brighter or dimmer. It's great for reading at night or as a soft light in the morning. You can even change the brightness of the clock by using on the other dimmer switch. So this is great. Setting the alarm is simple. Here's how. First, you tap the alarm button. Second, you set the time. Third, you choose the preferred sound. That's it. You're all set for the perfect morning. The Dreamegg's dimmable night light offers 9 stunning colors, each with adjustable brightness to suit your mood. Pick your favorite color, set it at the perfect brightness, and wind down to the comforting glow as you settle in for the night. Setting up the Dreamegg Sunrise One is refreshingly simple. No phone, no app, no Wi-Fi required. Just set your routine directly on the device and you're ready to go. Its compact design even makes it perfect for travel, letting you create a calming sleep routine wherever you go. This is crafted with a soft cotton linen fabric. The Dreamegg Sunrise One adds a touch of elegance to any bedside setup. It's truly a bedside essential designed to make sleep a little bit more comforting and mornings a lot brighter. The Sunrise One has made waking up so much better for me. No more loud alarms or feeling grumpy. Now I wake up feeling calm, happy, and ready for the day. If you want to enjoy better mornings, you should definitely give this a try. Click on the link below to learn more or get your own sunrise today. You'll love it as much as I do. Click the like, share, and comment buttons below, and thanks for watching.